Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cobblestone generator. I was trying to find one for an SMP I play on and couldn't find a video that actually covered how to do it. So I had to muddle together a few ideas to get it to work, so now I'm going to show you how I did that. So let's get going. So this is everything you're going to need: 12 blocks of your choice, 16 redstone dust, lava bucket, water bucket, 2 hoppers, 2 redstone comparators, a redstone torch, not a bucket, 1 second, let me just correct that. That should be a block of redstone. You also need 3 sticky pistons, 10 normal pistons, 10 redstone repeaters and 1 lever. We're going to start by placing 4 blocks like this in order to put the lava in there. Get rid of that lava bucket. And then we're going to make a slightly longer one to put the water in. And what you need to do is just break that block there so that the water flows into there and doesn't flow any further. As if the water flows into the lava, we're going to end up with obsidian, not cobblestone. What we want is the lava to flow into the water, and there you go, you get cobblestone. Now the next thing we're going to do is add a piston on here to push that cobblestone forward, and in order to do that we're going to use an Etho hopper clock. So you need a sticky piston, which I am having trouble placing the right way, there we go, and any block just to go in there, just to push it forward with, doesn't matter what that block is. And that's just going to push that cobblestone forward. So the next thing we need is the block of redstone. This redstone is going to be pushed backwards and forwards by 2 more sticky pistons. So I'm just going to place a block here so that I can place the piston the right way, not that way. There we go. So we want that pushing that way. We can break that block now and just put a piece of redstone dust there. Another piston here. Again, we'll just place a block very quickly, put the piston, break that, and another dot of redstone behind that. And then we need a block next to that redstone, and then we need 2 hoppers in the middle. Now just place your first one. The second one needs to be facing into that first hopper, and then you need to break the first hopper and redo it so that it's facing into the second one. So you can see they're pointing to each other, they're going to pass whatever we put in there backwards and forward. Then we need our comparators, just like that, facing that way into those blocks. And that is it, that is our Etho hopper clock. All we need to do now is place some items in. Now I'm just going to place one in there and it's going to go backwards and forwards. Since recording this video, I've since found out that about the perfect timing to get a piece of cobblestone every time it changes is about 5 items, so it might be worth trying that. You pop a lever there, that will stop the items from moving, it'll stop that redstone and it'll stop the system. Flip it again and off it goes again. It just gives you a chance then to go and break your cobblestone. So now let's move on with the next part of the system. The next part is going to be pushing out the row of cobblestone. So we're going to put 10 pistons along the edge here so that the cobblestone can then be pushed out in a row of 10. So this is what we need here. We don't need those deep slate tiles anymore. So we're just going to place our row of 10 pistons along this way, just like this, and we're going to dig a hole at the last one and put the redstone torch in. Next we're going to go along the back, we're going to put a row of repeaters facing into the pistons. We don't need to change the timing on them, and then the redstone dust directly behind that. Now the video I did find showed that the redstone dust was directly behind the pistons. That does not work in Java, at least not in 1.18 anyway. Whether it did before, I don't know, because I've never tried to build one of these before. So if we turn this on now, we will see that the redstone clock starts going, the piston at the other end starts moving, and we can see that cobblestone is starting to move down. When the cobblestone reaches the end and goes over this redstone torch, then all that redstone line is then going to light up along the back of there. All those repeaters are going to activate and all the pistons are going to fire. There we go. So that then pushes your row out. I believe it was about 12 or 13 rows it will do before the pistons won't push anymore. So then you just go along and harvest it, turn your machine off, and then you don't get pushed. But yeah, just go along, harvest it, and then turn it back on again. And you can see it is relatively quick as well. So that is it. That is how easy it is. That's in Java 1.18.1 is the version that I'm working on at the moment. Let me know how you get on, or if you have any other ideas, let me know. Thanks for watching.